Hey guys, good morning. Just taking a stroll out in this park that I'm at, and crazy enough, there's a deer right behind me looking at me. So if I get, trampled over, you guys will have evidence that it wasn't my fault. So, and I'm probably interrupting his breakfast. But anyways, hey, just wanted to give you guys an update. I know I haven't showed my face in a long time, so there's been a lot of moving things that's been going on this past month. But I wanted to give you guys an update on Bitcoin and the stock market and let you guys know where I'm currently at. My thoughts are, so earlier this year, if you guys have been following me and watching my videos, I predicted a stock market crash. Clearly that did not happen. So I predicted it between April and June 30th. It looks like we did have a dip, but it did not crash. And so, and I provide additional clarifications on what that means in some of my previous videos. But so what does that mean? What is the good? What is the bad? The bad is that we continue with high inflation, as you see with real estate, as you see with lumber, as you see with your car, a new car, pretty much everything, your food, everything. And so that's the bad. This will sort of continue until there's some sort of correction in the market. The good is, look, in a way, you kind of let the casino continue, right? Your stocks, Bitcoin, everything will sort of continue to go up because the Fed will just sort of continue to print money and continue to kind of, let that be. So what are some of the things I'm looking at? So definitely paying attention to the interest rates. I think that is super important. Here's how I see this play out. Once the interest rates rise, then I see the stock markets probably take a dip again, or another crash. And then after that, then probably a year after that, we might see some real estate corrections. But look, I think we're far from that. I'm very bullish the next 3 to 6 months of this year. Some things to have made me sort of change my mind about where I think we're headed is really just a couple weeks ago, the Fed came out and said that they will not, that they don't see inflation, that they see it at 2%, which I think it's like at 8 or 10%, but it is what it is from that standpoint. But they are saying that they're not going to raise the interest rates till probably the end of 2022, if not by the end of 2023. And it'll be by 0.5% to 1%. So usually I'm not one to get into politics, but I can only assume a couple things because of this. Number one, we just got a new president, right? And so what that tells me is that, there's no way that a new president comes in and all of a sudden, we're going to have some sort of crash, right? We got to make sure that we continue on the same path and there's not much changes. So what am I looking toward? We may just spend our way out of this whole thing, right? I don't know if that's good or bad at this moment in time, and we may be just switching into a whole new era of different costs for all of us. But I just don't see anything that gives any major signs of change from a Fed perspective. We do have midterm elections next year, which I don't see any crash or anything like that happening before then. And so, as of right now, I'm just going to keep this quarter by quarter. And right now, I'm very bullish. So that's my perspective on the stock market. I think we'll continue to go up. If you guys have looked at some of my posts, again, that 42.38 was that resistance, and we clearly broke through it. I'll provide another update on where it's gone, and it's continuously gone up. For Bitcoin, look guys, Bitcoin, I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. I know it's been very boring. I know we're so used to it just going up all the time, right? And so fast. And most of you guys have just got into Bitcoin just a couple months ago, right? Very seriously, and probably put some money in. But coming from somebody who's been in this for about 4 years, I'm telling you that, this is how it's been. This is how it's been. And I know, again, most of you guys, you know, are seeing the volatility up and down and things like that. Look, I've been through it too. I've been to it. I bought it when it was at 20. I bought it again when it was at 3,000. And so I understand those volatility, but the thing is with volatility, there's high risk and high reward, right? And so what I can tell you though is long term is that these prices, right, high or low, they will continue to go up because there's a finite supply of Bitcoin, and there's no way it's not a inflationary asset. So there's no way they're going to be printing more than 21 Bitcoin. Okay, so there's only 21 million Bitcoin. You know, whether it goes down to the 25 worst case scenario that I predicted, or under 20, which I'll be selling all my assets to get more, pretty much. I don't think we're going there. As you guys have saw my video before, I think we're at a spring point. I think the 30,000 is a major support, and I do think we gradually go up, and I'll provide some more additional you know, data on that in my next coming videos. But anyways, I just wanted to provide you guys a quick update. I know I haven't showed my face about the stock market and Bitcoin. I'm completely bullish as pretty much the next 3 to 6 months. If anything were to change, I'll let you guys know. But other than that, hope you guys have a great 4th of July weekend, and I will talk to you later, and peace out.